Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Wednesday, 17th of April 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. If you are new to Gold Price Daily Analysis, we do urge you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis as usual after a quick recap. We have been waiting for economic data to be released from the United States. We are going to start with the industrial production month to month and year to year, both with medium importance and both came below forecasts. And for the red book, month to month and year to year, both with low importance and both came above forecasts. For the gold price action for today, gold bulls actually battled to keep the gold trading above 1,280, and the pressure to the downside was coupled with the strong US dollar and a continuation of the rally in the US stock market, which pushed the gold down below 1,280 toward 1,272. For the strategy recap, we said the move toward 1,280 is not going to be easy for the fact that there are so many meaningful supports en route to 1,280, and we said if you are out of the market, wait a break and close below 1,280 to sell or above 1,300 to buy, and if you are in a buy position, hold on it and protect it, and if you are in a sell position, be cautious and watch for the market. That's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. For the economic calendar for Wednesday, we will start from the United Kingdom and we will be waiting for the following economic figures: the CPI year to year and PPI, PPI input and PPI output and other low importance economic headers, plus the POE Governor Carney speech. Moving on to the economic calendar for the European Union. As all, we are waiting for the CPI year to year trade balance for February and the core CPI, all to be considered highly important. Moving on to the United States, we will be waiting for the following economic headers: the trade balance and the imports and exports with medium importance. That's all for the economic calendar for Wednesday. We'll move now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session, on Tuesday, we have had a trading range from 1,272 to 1,288. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. Gold spot is expected to print a closing price of above 1,273 or maybe more or less, depends on the market. The market is still open. Watch for this. If gold closed below 1,282, it's a confirmation that gold is in starting a bearish trend. For the moving averages, for the 20 days 1,300, for the 50 days 1,306, for the 100 days 1,287, and for the 200 days it's 1,250. We are below 20 days, 50 days, 100 days daily simple moving averages, and above only the 200 days daily simple moving averages. RSI 25 oversold for the 1 hour, for the 4 hours it's 20 oversold. And for the 1 day it's 34 bearish. Gold is under the total control of the bears. For the supports and resistance, the first support at 1,269, then followed by 1,265 and 1,261. The resistance are located at 1,278 and 1,282 and 1,285. That's all for the technical indicators. Move now to the trading strategy. For the trading strategy, the trend is bearish and the price action is negative. We are below 20 days, 50 days, 100 days daily simple moving averages, and the US dollar is rising. Let's take note of the following. Quarter results for Netflix is due after hours, and if it's below forecast, it may trigger a sell-off in Nasdaq and the other major US equities. Also, we are waiting for economic data from China. It's due to be released tomorrow. Industrial production, Chinese unemployment, GDP, and fixed assets investments. If below forecasts, also it may trigger a sell-off in the U.S. equities. The sell-off in the U.S. equities, as we said in our previous videos, it represents a good opportunity for the gold to rise as a safe haven. So the advice for today, because we got the confirmation that the gold is going to close below 1280, we are going to sell. But since the gold is oversold, we will wait a good entry around 1278, 79, with a stop loss of 1287 and targets of 1269 toward 1261. If you are in a buy, also you may sell against your buy, protect it and hold on it. We expect still a reverse after reaching 1260. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.